Good morning or afternoon. Today we've been learning all about pumpkins, but with me, you're about to learn that you can't grow a pumpkin in Antarctica. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, Mrs. Williams, I never thought a pumpkin could grow in Antarctica, but we're going to talk about why. Pumpkins are grown all over the world. Some places grow many more pumpkins than others, but you can't grow a pumpkin in Antarctica. The biggest international producers of pumpkins include the United States, Canada, Mexico, India, and China. Tons of pumpkins are grown every year, but you can't grow a pumpkin in Antarctica. I want you to look at this picture for a second and maybe think about why. Why would pumpkins not be able to be grown in Antarctica? Morton, Illinois is the pumpkin capital of the world. They grow 85% of the pumpkins that will be used for canned pumpkin pie filling. That sounds good. Lots of pumpkins come from Illinois, but you can't grow a pumpkin in Antarctica. So you can't grow a pumpkin in Antarctica? Why not? Antarctica has the coldest climate on the earth. The continent is covered in snow and ice. Pumpkins are a warm weather crop. They need to grow in soil that can hold water well. Since they do not grow well in cold temperatures, that must mean you can't grow a pumpkin in Antarctica. Now, on your next slide, you're going to see something that looks very similar to this. You're going to have this continent song. And on this continent song, you're going to learn about the 7 continents that we have around the world. If you need to listen to it more than once, I recommend doing that to understand what all of our continents are and maybe the order of them based off of size. But it also is a very catchy song. And trust me, it'll be stuck in your head for a while. And then when you're done, what you're going to see is you're going to see a slide like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to drag and drop all the continent names into these little boxes here. Okay. So you'll see the boxes and name each continent. So that's why I recommend maybe watching that continent song a few different times to kind of look at the different shapes that you see of these continents. Then I want you to place a pumpkin on every place that can grow pumpkins. All right. Have fun.